I'm Saujanya. She is my team member, Roja, and one more member is Kavya. Uh, our topic is Project Natick. Microsoft developed data center underwater. These are the contents of the our topic: introduction, service and work, components, advantages, images, and conclusion and differences. Introduction. Uh, this project is started in 2015 by Microsoft Research. Uh, this is used to determine the feasibility and infrastructure operate data center. Microsoft Research has built a prototype data center that is recently deployed in beneath the waves of the California coast. What is Project Natick? It's a deep water data center. Uh, Data center is nothing but a large group of network computer and servers used by the organizations to store and retrieve data remotely, and it provides the facility used to house computer systems. So bringing data centers to the ocean made a huge amount of sense to be able to make the actual cable to our customers as short as possible. Data centers are increasingly energy intensive. Companies place data centers in remote areas. These services include in this project like email, data storage and management, web hosting, application hosting. These are the some related components to this project: servers, routers, hard disk, UPS, power distribution, huge cooling units. These are the servers. As we know, server is a computer program or hardware that provide functionality of programs or devices. The servers are standard servers encased in a steel drum, which is a 8 feet diameter with bolts and fitting to make it waterproof. The steel drum is fitted with tubes and cables that transfer heat from the hot chips inside to cool the ocean outside. This is router. This performs the traffic directing function on internet. This forwards data packets between computer networks. As we know, the hard disk, which is nothing but a storage devices, we can retrieve the data from these devices. These are the UPS and PDUs. These devices are used as a combination of devices with multiple output ports designed to distribute the power. These are the cooling units which will cool the outside. Cooling unit is it maintain the temperature of hardware. This will be continued by Roja.
And Saujanya has explained about the internal components in this project Natick, and these are some of the external components used in this. And it is steel drum, fiber optics, servers and routers, storage devices, and liquid nitrogen turbines and tidal energy system. And this is a steel drum, and it is the outer part of the data center, and it is a waterproof, connected with bolts. And this is the fiber optic cable. It uses fiber optic cable to transfer the data with a high speed of 255 terabytes per second. And it also uses servers and routers. And liquid nitrogen is used to remove heat from the chips. And turbines also used, and these turbines are used to generate electricity inside the water. And the advantages of Project Natick are it helps better serve the customers, and these are located very close to the users, and it works very fast, and the transmission speed is also very high. And these are some of the images of Project Natick and how it looks like. And it is actually the data center, and it is dipped into the water, and it is the underwater data center. And they are retrieving the data center from the water.
Sorry, can we keep the video and we'll put it on the video later on?
Okay.
So we give a chance to the last presentation before silence.
Okay.
Any questions? Any questions? So give us a hand, please.